Hi there, we are Lujain Abulzawaid and Sahrish from Aleph, and we're excited to take you with us on a journey on how to make an upcycled kite. The materials you will need to do this workshop are a large sheet of craft paper, some flexible wire, some scrap of paper, props, glue, tape, pencil, some extra props, a ruler, scissors, and a string. You might also need extra scrap of paper. Now take the paper and fold it to form a triangle. Now get your pencil and your ruler and make a line at the end of that triangle. Now get your scissors and cut at the line at the end of the triangle all the way through to the end of the paper. Now unfold your paper and you should have a square. Now get your flexible wire. You can also use metal wires or straws. We used a total of 6 flexible wires. Now measure it so it's the same length as the paper. And if it's longer, cut it so it can be the same length. Now get your paper and fold it to form a triangle. Now get your pencil and ruler, mark a rectangle slightly below the tip of the paper, and at the end of the triangle, make a line until the other tip of the paper. Now cut below the rectangle all the way through until the tip of the paper. Now get 3 pieces of your flexible wire and tape them together. Place your wire diagonally across the paper and tape it. Get another 3 pieces of wire and also tape it across the paper diagonally, but this time make sure there's a curve in the middle. Now turn the flaps at the edges of the paper over the wire and tape them firmly. Get any props or cutout shapes and glue them or tape them at the end of your kite. Now your kite is almost ready. Get your string and make a double knot on either sides of your wire. Make sure it's on the curved wire. Cut your string so it doesn't get in the way of you doing your knots. Make sure that the string going across is tight and firm, and for the final knot, take your string from under the curved wire and make a final double knot. Make sure this knot is secure and firm, and you can use tape to secure it in place. Now your kite is ready to fly. Add whatever decorations and props you would like to make it your own. Thank you for tuning in with us, and we're excited to see all the fun kites you can come up with. And don't forget to fly them!